Video I will tell you that how to turn off search history in Google. So first of all, you need to open up Google Chrome here, and once you open up the Google Chrome here, what you will do, you need to actually go to this link here where it says myactivity.google.com, and you have to make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account here. Okay, so if you are not logged into your Gmail account, first you have to log into your Gmail account, and then you can open this myactivity.google.com link, and then you have to click on this option where it says web and app activity, and here it says it is on, so you just need to actually turn it off. And here it says pause, so you will just pause it and then just hit OK, and now your search history for this specific account is turned off. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.